In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix update error 0x80070422 in Windows 10. First, go here and type in services. Go all the way down and find for Windows Event Collector. So it should be here, Windows. So this is the one. Right click on it and then go to properties. Make sure this is set to automatic. So choose automatic and then click apply and then click start so you can start the process, then apply and OK. And now you want to go to Windows event log. Now you want to go down and find Windows event log. So it should be this one. Right click on it and then go to properties and make sure this is set to automatic and make sure you start the process. Here it's already started. So you can restart the process to refresh it if you want, but just make sure it's start and click apply and OK. And here you're going to go down to Windows Update. Right click, properties, set it to automatic and make sure you start the process, apply and OK. After this, restart your PC and see if this fixes your issue.